We don't begin to review minimum wage of workers wey currently be 40,000 naira, the highest for the country, with view to increase them as soon as federal government revise the revenue allocation formula. Oga Obaseki yarned this one for Independence Day celebration speech for Niger at 63. E con tok say im go continue to ensure prompt and diligent payment of salaries and pensions, enhance work environment, and go still sustain the use of technology wey go improve efficiency and ease work process to ensure better service delivery to Edo people. On top the bad economy wey Naija dey face, e con tok say dem dey do their best intentionally to create better environment where business go fit survive, and say 2 years ago im warn against the mismanagement of the economy wey dey affect our currency, and say im come also raise alarm about the poor state of federal roads for Edo State, and say the present extensive federal road network for Edo State wey suppose be blessing don dey wreck the economy sake of the bad state of the road, and say the pressure now dey on state roads and the roads dey scatter and spoil sake of say dem no build the state road for the kind of tonnage wey dey pass am now. E consta tok say one way out of the current crisis na for federal government to urgently consider sharing power and move more resources to state and local governments.
We have begun reviewing the minimum wage of our workers, which is currently 40,000 naira per month, the highest in Nigeria, with a view to increasing it as soon as the federal government revises the revenue allocation formula. We will continue to ensure prompt and diligent payment of salaries and pensions, enhance the work environment, and sustain the use of technology to improve efficiency and ease the work process and ensure better service delivery to Edo people. In the light of the challenging structure of the Nigerian economy, we are doing our best to deliberately create the enabling environment for new businesses to thrive and to attract new investments into Edo State. You will recall that about 2 years ago, I had warned against the mismanagement of the nation's economy and its concomitant effect on the value of our currency. Refusal to heed the call has led us to this dire situation. Severally, I have raised alarm about the very poor state of federal roads in Edo State. The presence of extensive federal road network in Edo, which should have been a blessing, is now wreaking havoc on our economy because these roads are in a state of massive disrepair. This has led to severe pressure on our state roads, which are now falling apart as most of them were not designed to handle the amount of tonnage they are now forced to carry. To pull our country, Nigeria, from the brink of economic collapse, we must now begin to take sincere and honest steps to stimulate economic growth so that our people can lead more fulfilling and happier lives. One way out of our current crisis is for the federal government to urgently consider devolving more authority and move more resources to states and local governments.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, A. Carter Ojesoli, TMC TV News.